Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman, at your service. We are going to repair Devant LED TV. How to repair no power, burnout power supply, circuit modification. It is struck by lightning. Before we start, and if you like this kind of video, please support my channel. Please share and subscribe to update you in my next contents. Let's test the unit. There is no power indicator. As we notice, the unit warranty seal is intact. Here is the unit model. Okay, let's start. Guys, the power supply is burned out. It's struck by lightning, and it is impossible to read the burnout parts. Let's remove the unit board. Let's check the primary if there's any sign of short circuit. There's no short circuit reading at the main filter capacitor. Let's check the primary rectifier diode. It's all okay. Let's check the secondary circuit. It's already normal, no short circuit reading. Let's remove the primary power MOSFET. In that situation of the circuit, we sure that the power MOSFET is defective. Okay guys, let's convert and modify the power supply section of the unit. In this kind of LED TV board, the secondary output of power supply is 12 volts DC and B+ of the inverter. Let's connect black wire to the primary ground of the circuit. Connect the red wire to the drain terminal of the primary. Connect yellow wire to the secondary output at 12 volts B+ terminal. connect blue wire to the secondary ground of the power supply. Before we adjust the B+ output of the power supply, let's check if there's any abnormal reading in the circuit. Okay guys, the circuit has a normal resistance reading. Let's mount the universal board at the screw hole of the system board to adjust the trimmer resistor easily. Let's adjust the secondary output of the power supply by rotating the trimmer resistor clockwise to achieve 12 volts DC output at the secondary. Okay guys, the output 12 volts DC is stable. Let's connect the system board to the unit and check if the only defect is in the power supply. Here is the final layout of our conversion in the power supply. Let's check if the unit is okay. Okay guys, the unit is in normal condition. We did the repair to the unit. For more videos to come, please support my channel. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Salamat po!